Here's how to recover a deleted Gmail account in 2026. If this helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Gmail tutorials. First, open Google Chrome and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page. Enter the Gmail address you deleted and click Next. Make sure you type the full email address correctly. Google will now ask security questions to confirm it's really you. This may include your last password, a recovery email, or a phone number. Answer as accurately as possible. If Google can verify your identity, they'll send a recovery link to your recovery email. Open that email and follow the instructions. Deleted Gmail accounts can usually be recovered only within a short time. If too much time has passed, recovery may not be possible. And that's it. That's how you recover a deleted Gmail account in 2026. Subscribe for more quick and helpful Gmail guides.